Hi, my name is Piotr Garlej and welcome to Inspirations for Presentations. My primary focus in everything I do is simplicity, so let's make this simple. In this series of videos, I show you how you can easily create visually appealing slides for your business or sales presentation. If you want to get more free value from me, go ahead and subscribe to my free training on professional business presentations. You'll find the link to that training in the description of this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily format text with a gradient fill on a slide. Here's what we need at the beginning: a big rectangle with dark color so that it will be our background. Next, the text. Try to find a thick font so that the colors in it will be visible enough. Let's make it really big, very big. Now right-click the frame of the text box and select Format Shape option. Here in the pane on the right you will have two tabs. One is Shape Options, the second is Text Options. We need to go to Text Options. And here in the Fill section we've got Gradient Options. The most important part of it is this element here, a range with a couple of stops which indicate a specific color. You can change their positions. You can delete them just by dragging them down or add another ones just by clicking in it. We can change their color here and all the other default settings. We can play with many different colors, but don't overcomplicate it. If you're doing a presentation for your children at school, maybe this color selection would be fine. But in your business presentation, it's better to keep it in a restrained form. So as I say, let's make this simple. Let's only choose similar colors in the same tone. I would go for a couple of different shades of blue. Just like this. If you don't have any ideas for your colors, then go to colors.co. Here we've got a magnificent range of beautiful palettes to choose. Just find the one you like, click on it here, and you just open the palette. We may copy all these color codes one by one, but it would be faster if we just make a screenshot of this palette and we paste it on the slide. And now here we go with eyedropper option. Select the text, go to Format pane, and in the Text Options tab, go to Gradient Options. Now let's change stop colors with the eyedropper, just like this. We can add one more stop. We can change the background to black, so that the text will be more visible. And here we have it. I don't know how about you, but I like it. This one is okay too. This one? Not for me. Too many colors. I wouldn't go for it. And watch out for one more mistake you can make. Too narrow font. If you choose a narrow font, just like Calibri, then the effect will be very poor. It's better to use really thick font. I used Hatch Sans font here, but if you don't have it installed in your computer, you can use Arial Black, for example. I hope you like it. If you want to improve your presentation skills further, you can subscribe to my free training or check out my online course, Professional Presentations. You'll find the link in the description below this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.